My name is Robert Pickersgill. I'm popularly called Bobby Pickersgill. I happen to be the proud chairman of our distinguished and noble party. I have the honor to represent Northwest St. Catherine, where what we say during this campaign is still nobody but Bobby. And that is so because of the record of performance. I will be venturing into my 6th campaign, having gone through 5 successfully. The problems that affect the constituency are really not much different from other constituencies. Unemployment, especially among the youth. But we have recognized that, and we'll be doing things to correct that. I did refer to past performance. However, over the last 4 years, we have been able to achieve very, very little. But that will not be daunted by that. We'll be moving forward. And I have every confidence that when the elections are called, and we are told they'll be called pretty soon, the People's National Party will once more prove to be victorious. So I urge my constituents, who over these 5 terms, moving into the 6th term, have become my true and real friends. And let me use the opportunity to say thanks to them for the support that they have given me over these many years. Vote PNP.